Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. To those who are new here and to those who are my old buddies, I love you guys so much. And in today's video, what we're gonna do is a few of my favorite healthy recipes. Because you guys always ask me to make recipe videos and I'm so lazy to do that. But yeah, I am gonna share 4 of my favorite recipes, which are like 2 juices and 2 lunch or dinner recipes. So 4 recipes in total, and this video is in a collaboration with Simple Taste. So I'm gonna leave all the links, all the products which I used in this video in description box. You guys can go there and check which kind of products they have, or maybe if you are interested in these equipments, you guys can check those ones down there in the links. So these products are from the company name One by One. They are sellers at Amazon because we all buy stuff. We all shop at Amazon. I like literally me. I'm always on Amazon. Everything I'm receiving something from Amazon. We are like Amazon freaks these days. So they have a very interesting program which is known as Super User Program. I'm gonna leave the Super User Program. That's a tongue twisting. So I'm gonna leave the Super User Program as a link in description box. You guys can click on that link and apply now. What I'm gonna do is give you free products whenever they are available. Like you guys can win prizes, rewards and free samples and something interesting. So you have to put as your username, your country of residence, products you are interested in getting free, or samples or something like this. Free. Another question is how long you've been shopping on Amazon, like year, less than a year, 2 years, or like, and how often you shop, like once a week, twice a week, once a month, once a year. And the last one is from where you learn about our Super User Program. So you guys can mention me, like, oh yeah, there is option like other social media accounts, so you guys can write my name. I would love that. Or you guys can just skip it, and your email ID. You don't have to pay anything for this Super User Program. What you're gonna do is just leave your email, like register for their free gifts, rewards and whatever you love. Yeah, so we rambled so much about the products. Now we're gonna move into the recipes, and I hope you guys gonna enjoy. Do not forget to check the links in description box to buy these things, or maybe be a super user. So let's jump into the recipe. Alright, so our first recipe is this green juice. We're gonna start is with ingredients. What I'm putting here is celery. Celery is very good for lowering inflammation. It's very good for reducing cholesterols, also good for high blood pressure and prevents any liver diseases, and it also helps you with weight loss, fights infections, and also cures your bloating problems and improves your digestions. So second ingredient is cucumber. Cucumber is high in nutrients, very low in calories, and also contains antioxidants, and it promotes your hydration. So my second ingredient is Granny Smith apple. I really like the taste of this. I also use this for some cooking recipes. So these apples are a rich source of vitamin C. At the same time, it's a source of fiber, so I'm adding this. So my third ingredient is lemon. Lemon's very good for weight loss and for other health benefits. Also, it's a source of vitamin C. So for making this juice, I'm using this Simple Taste juicer, which is very easy to use. I bought other juicer, I think few years back. I really like this one because it's very convenient. You just have to clean one part, others are okay. So my other machine have like few different parts which I have to clean, which is kind of hassle, so I'm not very regular with my juices, but this one is very easy. The link to this juicer is in description box if you're interested. So now I'm gonna make green juice out of these ingredients, and you guys can see how easily this is working. It was very amazing. So what to tell about green juice? Green is very good. Green's very good for your hair, your skin, your body. It's full of goodness. The taste is not very good because I didn't put so many fruits. I also want to convey one thing to you guys. So whenever you are making juice at home, try to put less fruits and more veggies, because fruits got so much sugar in there. So try to incorporate more veggies, which are very good for your body, skin, hair and everything. So that's that. If you watch my vlogs, you must know that I have wisdom tooth removed, so it's very hard for me to talk normally. So maybe that's why I'm talking kind of weird. This is good. Now we're gonna move into other healthy recipes. Let's go. For the next juice recipe, I'm gonna use these oranges full of good ingredients, vitamin C, and then apple. Apples are very good for your health. An apple a day keeps doctor away, you know that. And here I'm using red apple. Other beautiful ingredient I'm using is carrots. Carrots are very good for your body. It have so many essential vitamins. Next ingredient I'm gonna use is lime. Lime gonna give this juice a bit punch, like citrusy punch. So that's that. Last but not the least ingredient is kale. Kale is amazing, super rich in iron, folic and all the other goodness. So I'm gonna incorporate kale in this juice. You know that we are super lazy to eat our leaves, so juicing is the best thing. You just juice it up, all the good ingredients, especially the leaves and especially the kale. So yeah, now we're gonna make a juice and taste it. We already know like how good kale is for us, but we always ignore to eat it. So this is the good way to consume kale in the version of juice. So it's easy, you are getting what you need for your body, and I really like this. Okay, for this whole recipe I'm gonna use these noodles, like noodles from zucchini, the healthy version, no carbs. Mushrooms, you guys can choose whichever mushrooms you like. I just got this one at home. And cream, this is 18%. You guys can use any like coconut cream, whichever you like. I am gonna use this because it gives me more Alfredo kind of feeling. Pepper and salt, and also Italian seasoning, which I got from Costco. You guys can use any random Italian seasoning you want. So this is basically it. You guys can add a garlic as well, but because I'm in a hurry, I'm not gonna add a garlic, just these things. So let's start cooking. So this is what I'm going to use for making noodles out of this zucchini. On usual days, I use this for salads as well, because to make my salad recipes or salad interesting, I just use this for cucumbers, carrots and anything whatever I want. And it does have 3-4 different kinds of blades, so you guys can change it up to different kind of looking spirals or maybe slices, something like this sort. So yeah, this is what I used, and now we're gonna start the cooking process. Okay, so pan is already hot. I'm gonna add is olive oil, the extra virgin, to make it and keep it healthy. So not gonna add so much, just a tiny bit. Yeah, that's enough. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is cook mushrooms. I'm gonna add the mushrooms, stir them, I'm also adding pepper and tiny salt at this point. When they are kind of saute, add cream. Add Italian seasoning the way you like it. I like my with full of herbs. And once it's kind of boiling, I'm gonna add my noodles. We're not gonna cook them for long, just till they are loosen up. So add the noodles. Mix this sauce with your pasta. So we're gonna let it cook for a while. Not for a while, like few minutes actually. Zucchini gonna cook really fast, and we not want our zucchini to be very soggy. We want it kind of crunchy. So let it cook for a while. Let me stir it well. And I'm very happy with the texture the zucchini have. It's kind of crunchy but cooked at the same time. So we're gonna take it out and eat it. Let's do this. You guys can top it up with cheese, but I love adding chilies on my pasta because it makes me happy and I like hot. So that's it. We're gonna enjoy this meal. It's very delicious, very healthy. It's very hot, so be careful. It's delicious. It's like I'm eating linguine. You know, linguine pasta is my favorite kind of pasta, and I always use this kind of sauce. But because I wanted to make this healthy, so didn't add any cheese or any cream cheese or any sort of cheese. But this taste is so good, and the feeling is very good. You're not eating so many carbs. If you want your tummy to be flat, that's good. And the crunchiness is so good, well cooked. So it's delicious. I'm not sure if I ever told you that I'm a very big fan of mushrooms in Italian food. So this is giving me life, like really. So let's move into another recipe. Let's go. For today's chicken recipe, what we're gonna do is we'll use this air fryer. This is very fast and easy to cook, so I love to use this for fries, for pakoras, for Indian snacks. So I'm gonna cook my chicken in this one. So it's very easy. You just have to take this out and put your stuff in. Once you're ready, you plug it back, and it's all digital. You guys can select on and temperatures and how many minutes you want to cook and different kind of ingredients, like what kind of food it's in there and temperature and all that goodness. So I'm gonna take this out and put my chicken over here, and we're gonna air fry my chicken. So it's all nice and healthy, quick, easy recipe, and it's delicious. So let's do that. So first, my chicken is kind of ready now, so I'm gonna place all the chicken cubes in here like this. So yeah, chicken is all in. I'm gonna put this in. Okay, so power, temperature 380 is good, and start. 15 minutes. I'm gonna cook like for 17 minutes because chicken breast won't take that long. All good. Okay, till my chicken's cooking, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna eat as a side. I'm gonna eat is these mixed green leaves and tomato and also lime on the side. On the top of salad, I'm gonna put is these seeds. It does have so many good quality seeds: sunflower seeds, cranberries, pumpkin, and much more. All the goodness. We're gonna make something like this, but without this cheese. So yeah, let me do that. Okay, so it's kind of ready. We're gonna open that, and wow, guys, it's so yummy and delicious and crispy and without any oil or anything. We're gonna check if it's nice and cooked. I'm gonna take a piece. Oh, it's so nice and juicy. Oh god, I love it. and the aroma is so good. So my healthy recipe number 4 is ready. Now what I'm gonna do is sit here and enjoy my meal. I can't wait. Okay friends, so the fragrance and the aroma is so good and I'm very excited to try this. I'm very hungry actually right now. You guys can add any chutneys or any relishes if you want, but I don't like eating relishes. Actually this is very good. I'm gonna squeeze lime to make it a bit citrusy, because I really like lime or lemon on my chicken. It makes it even delicious. You guys can also try these recipes and please let me know if you tried how it was and you like it or not. I'm gonna come back with some more good recipes. Have fun guys, enjoy your day. Bye. So that is it with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you tried these recipes, please let me know how you like it. Do not forget to check the links and the super user program. I'm gonna see you in my next one. Do not forget guys, you're beautiful the way you are. Stay happy, confident and strong. You guys can do any freaking thing, and I love you guys so much. Bye.